In today's class, let us discuss about that what is the role of Panchayat Raj in the rural development. What is the role of Panchayat Raj institution in the rural development? Yes, here the Panchayat Raj is very necessary for the development of the rural area. For that purpose, our government is given the Panchayat three tier of the Panchayat Raj system to our country. For the development of the rural area, Panchayat Raj plays a very vital role for the development of the country. Is it? Then it is responsible and implement the many more developmental schemes in the rural area, and the Panchayat Raj gets the responsibility for the development of the various activities. Is it? So afterwards we can see that here it provides that it is employment opportunity, generates the employment opportunity. Its main intention is the elevation of the poverty. Is it providing the social security to the rural peoples is the main intention of the Panchayat Raj system, and also is the responsibility. Then afterwards we can see that various work like the providing the food, shelter, water, then drinking water, drainage, then afterwards the desilting, then giving the importance for the small scale cottage industries, then afterwards animal husbandry, agriculture development, development of the irrigation. So these are all work are come under the Panchayat Raj system, and it is the responsibility to do the efficient work in the rural areas. Yes, we can see that it plays a very important role, a very vital role in the development of the rural area. Yes, we can see that the Grama Sabhas plays a very important role here. The Grama Sabhas are held the meeting for every 6 months. Then here we can see who are the adults who are the have the name in the voter list. Those adults are members of this Grama Sabha. Grama Sabha. So in this Grama Sabha, what can we do? They are prepared the some more planning for development of the villages. Okay, so in this Grama Sabha meeting, what they do? They are doing the prepare the some more planning for the development of the village. Afterwards they discuss the matters about what are the problems of the villages, how can they solve about that. Is it? So Grama Sabha is a very important what is aspect in the rural area in the Panchayat Raj system. Okay, so here for every 6 months they held the meeting. Here we can see that. Then afterwards engage in the local planning. Engage in the local planning. Yes, here the local planning is very important for the development of rural areas. So drainage, drinking water facilities and lighting facilities. Is it street lights facilities and road facilities, transport facilities. Then afterwards school, primary education, secondary education and adult education. Is it? Then afterwards veterinary facilities, then afterwards occasionals, the education. These are all the very important. So the Grama Panchayat Raj system is get the responsibility of this. Afterwards they implement all this activity. Even it provides the health facility and toilet facility to the peoples. Okay. Then next is the we can see that the Panchayat Raj institution is implemented the many more poverty elevation and employment generation program in the rural area. So on that we can see the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme is already implemented to alleviation of the poverty. Afterwards it provides the work to the rural peoples. Okay, so when the poverty elevation is took place, when we give the employment opportunity to the people. So here the Panchayat Raj system implemented the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Through this, it provides the employment opportunity to rural peoples. Afterwards, it starts to eradicate the poverty in the rural area. Then it is also the duty of the Panchayat Raj system to providing the shelter facility to the rural peoples who are not get the shelters. Is it? So it implemented the many more housing housing programs. What are the housing programs we can see here? Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Valmiki Yojana. Then afterwards nowadays we can see that Ashraya Yojana. Okay, what it is? Many more housing programs are implemented by the Panchayat Raj system. Those are Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. What is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Then second one is Ambedkar Valmiki Yojana. Then afterwards Ashraya Yojana. These are all the shelter program. Okay, providing the shelter program. From these programs, the government, in the sense Panchayat Raj, is giving the shelter facilities to the people. Is it for 1 marks they can ask about that? Mention the any two shelter or housing programs. What is mention any two housing programs? So you should write that PM Awas Yojana means it's the shelter housing program. Then Ambedkar Valmiki Yojana is also housing program, and also the Ashraya Yojana is also housing program implemented by the Panchayat Raj for the development of rural areas. Then public distribution system. Yes, we can see that public fair price shops are there. So through that fair price shops, it makes the public distribution. Is it? Through that it is possible that all peoples are getting the nutritious food in the rural area. According to the APL and BPL card, government will distribute the food to the all peoples because of it want to eradicate the hungry. Is it? So for that purpose, here it providing the public distribution system. Through that it provide the food grains to the all village peoples. Then afterwards we can see that the facilities for the disabled. So the Panchayat Raj is providing the facilities for the disabled, mentally disabled, physically disabled, and widow and aged persons also. Okay, yes, we can see that what are the facilities they are providing. So likewise for the widow pension is giving. Then afterwards mentally disabled peoples, for they are giving the bicycles. They are giving the some more the stray fund for the those peoples. Then afterwards they are giving the bicycles for the physically disabled. Is it? And machines, ear machines. So they give the health facilities to those peoples also. Okay. Then next is they give the widow pension also. Through that it provides the facilities for the mentally, physically disabled, and old age pension is also giving for the old age peoples and widow women also. So they giving the various facilities for those peoples. Then afterwards we can see that SHGs, Swasahaya Sangha, is it? So Sahaya groups, we can see that women. So it gives the encouragement for the women self-help groups. Through that it gives the encouragement for the production of the women in the rural areas. Through that it is helpful for the development of the country also. What is the Panchayat Raj gives the importance for the women self-help groups and makes the togetherness. What it makes the togetherness through this SGHs. Then afterwards it's helpful to makes the more production by the women. So it gives the encouragement for the women self-help groups also. Then encouragement for the social and cultural activities. Then similarly it gives the Panchayat Raj institutions gives the importance for the social and cultural activities, like in the fair. Is it? In the cultural activities, fairs and the festivals, it gives the more importance. Afterwards it protect the culture and also the heritage of the particular village. Is it? Panchayat Raj is protects the heritage and particular culture of the particular region to providing the encouragement for the these social and cultural activities in the fairs and festivals. Is it? So nowadays we can see that every villages have their own wonderful culture. Is it? So the Panchayat Raj institution gives the importance and encouragement for these cultural and social activities and more employment opportunities. As here we can see that the Panchayat Raj institution provide the more employment opportunities to the people. So how it can give that it generate the employment for the rural peoples. It makes the agricultural development. Then afterwards expansion of the irrigations. Is it? Through that it provides the employment opportunity to the rural peoples. Afterwards sometimes it constructs the tanks and wells for the development of the agriculture, and it involves itself to the social forestry. Afterwards the fishery. Okay. Then afterwards it provides the thinking it gives a more important for the cottage and small scale industries in the villages. Okay. So through that it gives a more employment opportunity to the village peoples. So it's the responsibility of the Panchayat Raj system for what is to provide the good food, health facility, hygiene facility, toilets, drainage system facilities, and adult education, occasional educations. Then afterwards, the children primary and secondary education. This is all responsibility of the Panchayat Raj system to provide the rural people. Okay, so this is all about the role of Panchayat Raj institution in the rural development. As it is the true that the development of the rural area is the real development of the country. So every 3-tier Panchayat Raj systems are giving the wonderful effort to development of their own reasons. Okay, so this is all about your second lesson of the economics, that is the rural development. Then women's development is there in our textbook, but for in this year it is reduced in your syllabus. Okay, this is all about the rural development.